forget our differences. I'm not telling you that everything is all is well म्हणना बाय मुठाल मध्ये all is well, all is well, all is well. ते all is well आहा ना सोडून दिया. गोंयच पासत आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाक जाय. गोंयच पासत मुखार एकठांय जातले म्हाका खात्री आहा. आनीक आमी जरी तर जायनाय जाल्यार ह्याच भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीचे मनीस फायदो घेतले. फायदो घेवन म्हाका दिसता पत्ते वोट स्प्लिट जाय तेच एडवांटेज घेतले.
पण तुझ्या
Goa was discussed at length. Election preparedness, issues pertaining to the state were discussed. And all these issues, now unemployment, now corruption, now failure of administration, जे financial crisis ती गोंयांत जे पडो जाता हे इश्यू सगळे आमी एक्सप्लेन केलेले आसा. आणि खास करून आमचे लीडर बाब राहुल गांधीन has noted all these issues, and definitely with the upcoming parliamentary session, wherever possible these issues will be pressed. This is a lengthy session that is coming, and election preparedness, how we are going to face the election. Several suggestions were made, and as part of strengthening the organizations, it is decided to have 4 districts in the state of Goa, which I believe the president will announce. I will not go into details. म्हाका दिसता आज जेन्ना आमी जिल्हा परिशदाचे इलेक्शन हेजे ब्रीफ आमी आमच्या लिडराक दिलेले आसा on what and how about we should go in the future. Definitely गोंयकारांक सगळे एकठांय जालेले जाय. आणि जेन्ना आमी ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स म्हणून एक टॅग दिलेले म्हाका दिसता हेय आमी आमचे लिडर बाब राहुल गांधी लागीं उलयलेले आहाय, नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट लागीं उलयले आहाय की गोंयकार कशे आमी बीइंग द काँग्रेस पार्टी इट इज आवर ड्युटी टू टेक द ऑपोजिशन अलॉंग. And I discussed that personally, and I have full faith that whatever needs to be done in the interest of the state, because आज ज्या पद्धतीन आज ज्या भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीन हे सरकार जे लुटता, करप्शन जे चलता, and गोंयकारांक सगळे एकठांय जालेले जाय, ऑपोजिशनाक सगळे एकठांय जालेले जाय. आणि definitely if you see it is if you look technically it's less than a year. The elections are going to be there in 2027, and strategies were discussed in length on how we should go about, what are the issues, what should be our promise to the people of Goa, on what we will scrap, what type of land convergence, what type of corruption, how unemployment issues should be basically resolved. So this was discussed at length, and it was a very positive meeting. Our leadership was kind enough to listen to us for the problems faced by the people of Goa. आणि म्हाका खात्री आहा कित्याक काँग्रेस पक्ष एक पक्ष ज्या पक्षान सदांच गोंया खातीर ओपिनियन पोल दिलो, स्टेटहूड दिली, कोंकणी भाशा दिली, आनीक ज्या पद्दतीन जे काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या टेन्युअर म्हाका दिसता आज इतले डेव्हलपमेंट गोंयभर जालें, जे प्रोजेक्ट, जे युनिवर्सिटीज, ज्यो इंडस्ट्रीज जावं ज्यो ब्रिज्यो हे सगळे काँग्रेसाच्या टायमार जाल्यो. आनीक टेकिंग म्हाका दिसता आर लीडर बाब राहुल गांधी इज टेकिंग कीन इंटरेस्ट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, एंड वी आर कॉन्फिडंट that whatever strategies we discussed, we have to hit the streets, we have to meet certain people, we have to convey to the people of Goa that we want everyone and we will fight for Goa's interest.
Anything about the alliance?
No, definitely. See, as I said, Grand Opposition Alliance is a platform where all the political parties in the opposition have to get along. The Congress being the party or the principal opposition party, it is our duty. As you saw, assemblyत आमी ज्या पद्धतीन एकठांय झुजले, आनी जेन्ना आमी एकठांय झुजले तेजो परिणाम सरकाराचेर जालो. तुमकां दिसलें गव्हर्नर्स एड्रेस, इट वॉज बेसिकली वी स्टार्टेड relating also for the governor to speak on the Birch tragedy. There's nantar several issues, law and order situation, several issues. Birch was discussed, opinion poll was discussed, अस्मिता आमची कितें, आणि it was also acknowledged by Nilesh Kabral, the contribution of the Congress party. It is said that some people today who हांवें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन थोड्यांनी डायपर पासून काँग्रेसा उस्ताक येता आनी ते हे मेळटा कितें मेळटा ते कितें म्हणटा तेका सेरलॅक बी ते पासून काँग्रेसा उस्ताक येतला आनी आज हे 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 जे म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसा उस्ताक इतले जालें पूण खूब दूख जाता बट नेवरदलेस आय थिंक द पीपल आर वॉचिंग वी आर कॉन्फिडंट दॅट डेफिनेटली द काँग्रेस विल कम इनटू पॉवर इन 2027 अँड गोंयकाराची जे एक अपेक्षा ती अपेक्षा आमचे मध्ये आम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाक जाय. सो इट इज माय ड्युटी ऑल्सो एज लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन अँड आय डू नॉट हॅव एनी इगो एनी पॉलिटिकल डिफरन्सेस. इट इज एव्हरीवन इज फायटिंग टू सेव्ह द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा अँड वी विल डेफिनेटली वर्क टुवर्ड्स दिस युनायटेड ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स. आय थिंक इन द न्यू इयर एक नवी सुरवात जी हांवें सांगलो म्हज्या बड्ड्याक ती जावपाची गरज आसा. Now some people might like it, might not like it. That will not stop me from एकठांय करपाक गोंयकारांक आनी एवरी तालुका, एवरी जिल्ला, एवरी प्लेस. यू सी जिल्ला परिशदाच्या इलेक्शनाक जायते ह्या बीजेपी म्हणून सांगताले रिजर्वेशन केलें, पयशे घातले, लोकांक धमक्यो दिल्यो. वी ऑलमोस्ट फॉर्म द पॅनल इन साऊथ गोवा and if we had to course correct certain decisions, म्हाका दिसता we would have also done very well in North Goa. So the people want a united opposition.
पार्टीन भितर कोण फायदो घेता तर
ते पार्टीचे कोण फायदो घेता कोण फायदो घेना ते म्हाका दिसता कोणाकूच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी हे दिसा आसपाना. It is very clear. It is a very clear message not only for us, for everyone, that we have to unitedly fight this. People are going to bless us and definitely you will see a lot of things to come.